Hello and welcome to Ray Cochrane Beauty and Aesthetics Academy. Have you been dreaming of becoming a professional facialist? Well, I'm Eleonora, one of the school directors, and I'm here today to go through the overview of our facial combined course. This is an amazing course for those of you who would like to become a professional facialist. From beginners to experts, you will learn the basics and the advanced to perform basic facial and combine it with machines or facial electricals. I'm gonna go through the overview and all the units you will learn. You will start with the foundation of how to perform a facial. Facial on different customers, working on different skin types, oily, combination, dry, or just normal. And then also working with different skin conditions like dehydrated, sensitive, mature skin. We'll teach you how to perform cleanse, removing makeup from eyes, from lips, from skin. Then do proper cleanse, perform proper skin analysis. Skin analysis is very important part of the facial treatment because we need to look at the skin and choose the correct skincare products and also the correct treatment for that particular customer and skin type and condition. From there you will learn how to perform steam and extraction. Again, important part of the facial treatment. With a facial massage, it's a good practice for you because of all those steps, all those massage movements, you'll be able to kind of get on with the customer, be able to touch the client's skin, get used to that kind of new treatment for you because most of our students, they've absolutely never done and never touched anyone's skin this way. And this is a very important part of it. Mask application will be also covered. We'll teach you about ingredients and how to combine them and create your own products using just a single ingredient product, which is quite interesting. And also apply the mask, of course. So that's going to be included in the actual facial, which is the foundation part. After the facial, we will move to the facial electrotherapy. So you will learn different machines like galvanic, faradic, vacuum suction, microdermabrasion, microcurrent, and high frequency, direct and indirect. And of course, make sure that you use the correct machine for the correct skin type, for the correct concern. Another theory unit is dermatology and microbiology. Very interesting. It's more about anatomy and physiology, including skin, hair and nails, and also the very interesting practical part of growing bacteria. So we're gonna use incubator. It's a very interesting lesson, and that will teach you more about hygiene and also understanding of skin, nails and hair. Parallel with this, you will learn client care and communication and health and safety. So one of the most important things when we perform any of the beauty treatments is to perform them safely and make sure no one is in danger, and of course correctly and work hygienically. Very, very important. Along with that, we'll also teach you contraindications. So it's very important to make sure that the client is not contraindicated to the facial treatment. So we will make sure that we go through consultation form, we check medical history, and then we continue with treatment. The course is 1 day per week, so usually, let's say if you take Saturday course, it's going to be every Saturday. We try to keep our classes quite small. One tutor is, teaching the class, so very good knowledge achieved because the class is quite small, so you can always ask questions. Classes start from 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. We have about 45 minutes break. It's quite intense course, so it requires a lot of study at home as well, but we have all the resources necessary for that, and you just have to spend some time. It's quite interesting to kind of like revise at home and prepare for the next class. The course is government approved. In terms of progressing, you have all the opportunity to progress to the next level of your training. So this also course we use as a first step progressing into more aesthetic treatments like our level 4 skin peeling, skin needling, also level 4 laser course. So if you're interested in more going into that direction, you have the opportunity to do that. So after completing, you can move more towards the level 4s. You can also set up your own business. So if you'd like to do that, you have that opportunity as well. So you can absolutely do it for yourself. The doors are just open for you. So you just have to grab your opportunities and just, explore them. If you have made it this far in the video, it means that you're really interested in our courses. So please don't hesitate. Can you please subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up. You can just put your notifications on so you can get more information for the upcoming courses and just be always on top of everything. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you on our next course. Thank you.